Hello everyone, this is free daily current affairs test. Please answer to these questions. And geography new optional batch and GS 2025 mains test batch is going to be started from December month. And please inform your friends about this. And the first question. The question is, which of the following statements are correct? Chikungunya is a disease transmitted to humans by infected mosquitoes. There is currently no approved vaccine or specific treatment for chikungunya virus infections. The answer is both one and two. Both the statements are correct. It is transmitted to humans by infected mosquitoes, and it's a spreading disease in Africa, Asia, and Americas also. The news is recently the travelers from Telangana carried chikungunya to US. The US government said that the travelers from Telangana transmitted carried the chikungunya disease. That was in the news. Then, which of the following statements are correct? The Collegium of Supreme Court consists of 5 senior-most judges, including the Chief Justice of India. The decision of the Collegium on the appointment of judges cannot be interfered by the government. Answer? The answer is one only. The second statement is wrong. The cannot be interfered by the government is wrong. The government will interfere and the president will decide finally. The Chief Justice of India will be consulted. But on the recommendation of Prime Minister, the President will decide it. Okay. So this is, and the news is recently the Supreme Court Collegium proposes new Chief Justice for Manipur. Okay. Then, and you have to note down the Article 124 deals with the appointment of Supreme Court judges. It says the appointment should be made by the President after consultation with such judges of the High Courts and Supreme Court as the President may deem necessary. Okay. Then, Chennai-Vladivostok Maritime Corridor connects Arabian Sea and Atlantic coast of Africa, Bay of Bengal and West Australian coast, Bay of Bengal and Pacific, Arabian Sea and Mediterranean Sea. The answer is option C, Bay of Bengal and Pacific. The Vladivostok is in the eastern Russia. So, Chennai to Russia, the Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean is connected here. Okay. India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor connects which of the following countries? UAE, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Italy, Greece, France. The answer is option C. All the countries are here. So these countries are actually connected by the IMEC, the Indian Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. The news is recently the minister said that the IMEC was announced during the G20 summit. It goes from India to UAE, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Israel, then 3 European countries, Italy, France, and Greece. Ultimately, this line will also have a railway line, sea route, totally over 4,800 kilometers. India and Greece will work together, the minister said. On the Chennai-Vladivostok Maritime Corridor, he said it had become the operational and along with the port in Bay of Bengal, Paradip and Vizag also have connectivity. So we are getting crude, food and machines, and we are also sending. The minister said. Okay, then. Which of the following regions are habitat of penguins variety in the world? New Zealand, Africa, Russia. The answer is option C, 1 and 2 only, New Zealand and Africa, because predominantly the penguins are living in the southern hemisphere. The only penguin variety living in the north of equator is African penguin and the Galapagos penguin. Predominantly from Antarctica to equator. Okay, so 1 and 2 only is the answer. Okay, and the African penguin is the critically endangered penguin variety listed by the IUCN. Okay. And the environmentalists predict that fewer than 10,000 breeding pairs left globally, mainly in South Africa, down from 42,500 in 1991, and they could become extinct in the wild by 2035, like that they have predicted. Okay. And it is in the danger of extinction. Okay. So to evaluate your current affairs preparation daily, please take the free daily current affairs test available at www.geodemy.in. Revising through test will be more efficient in current affairs preparation. Okay. And friends, please inform in your circle that geography new optional batch and 2025 mains test batch is going to be started in our institute from December month, and please inform in our circle. Thank you.